Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be discussing everything Solana. See what is happening with Solana's price right now, and of course, what is yet to come. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If we're looking at the entire markets, as you guys can see, we're seeing quite a bit of green across the board. Market is slowly but surely picking up. The dominance pulling down is giving altcoins a huge chance to move towards the upside and actually outpace BTC, and that's what we're seeing happening right now. As far as Solana is concerned, it's up 5% on the daily time frame, with the price currently sitting at $97.16, and it's also up 5.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Market cap, on the other hand, is currently sitting at $42 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $2 billion. So, things are looking really nice for Solana. Believe it or not, I know people are not realizing that. I see these comments coming in, day out regarding why is Solana not hitting all-time highs yet? Like, are you serious at this point? The people that actually ask that question, I actually will never understand what goes through their mind, because if you're looking at it on the yearly time frame, Solana is up 322%, and even these numbers are a little inaccurate. If you guys really understand how much Solana is up in the last 3 months, to be specific, you would understand how huge of a deal that really is. It's not going to go straight towards its all-time high in a matter of a month. There's going to be time where consolidation happens. A lot of weekends get shaken out, and that's what we're seeing happening right now. But despite that fact, the way Solana continues to hold and the way it's consolidating speaks for itself and how much momentum it really has. But before we go any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So let's take a look at what's happening with the ecosystem. So you can see this for yourself. Solana Sega Genesis count exceeds 15,000 with 540 new Solana mobile activations since yesterday. The count is still increasing. So of course, this should not be a surprise to any one of you. We know how much, interest this phone really is getting in. And everyone that actually purchased this phone are starting to realize, the amount of incentives that you get just by having this phone is absolutely insane. And if you're actually adding everything up, I think, if you've had this phone, you got up to $3,000 USD worth of airdrops, and that's only going to get bigger as you do go further into this bull market. So this is really nice to see. I missed out on this, but if you have a Solana phone and you guys want to hook up your boy Crypto ZX, email me, link in the description box below, and I'm willing to purchase this phone off of you for a good price, of course. So yeah, that's that. Now, if we're looking at the liquidation count, you can see this for yourself. About $4 million liquidated in 24 hours for Solana. So, continuous reminder. Let me give you a continuous reminder why I continuously tell everyone to stay away from leverage trading. You can see this for yourself. We're talking about $4 million worth, of Solana, which is liquidated, and that's huge. If you watched my previous update, we were literally sitting at this support line for BTC at 45,859. And I said, as we're going into the weekend, as CME futures are closed, we could see the price of BTC falling towards this downside. We could see whales stepping in and trying to shake out the weak hands, shake out the massive longs that are piling in. And that's exactly what we're seeing happening right now. You could see this for yourself. About 1.43 million longs got liquidated, and about 2.61 million worth of shorts got liquidated. And what you're seeing happening with Solana's price is bouncing back to where it was. So the people that got liquidated, I'm sure they're looking at the price bouncing back and probably wondering, we wish we never had these leverage positions open. And learn from a guy that's been in the space for 7 to 8 years. And let me tell you, leverage trading will never get you anywhere. 99% of the time, there is a chance for you to get shaken on. And of course, people can come out and say, I opened up my positions for my longs since $8. Of course, if that's the case, you're doing great, but that isn't the case for everyone. No one is going to come and tell me that everyone has their long positions open since $8. Not everyone caught that, but if you did, great on you. But overall, I'm not a big fan of leverage trading, as you guys know. But also the other news, as far as meme coins are concerned, you can see this for yourself. The WIF token breaks $300 million market cap, which is absolutely nuts. We're talking about a coin that just launched out of thin air. Of course, meme coins, we know how we need to be treating meme coins. No matter how high the market valuations really are, you need to treat a meme coin as a meme coin. There's no real utility behind them. It's based off of, just supply and demand, and also community driven. So the amount of risk associated with meme coins is extremely high. So you want to understand how that works. And I always give an example. Let's say you've done your due diligence and research and you are willing to invest $100 into a meme coin. What I suggest my viewers is invest even half of that, because if you do end up picking the right meme coin, you will make significant gains, even if you invest a small amount. But if you end up choosing the wrong coin and you lose your money, then you're not kicking yourself at the end of the day. So that's that. So great news as far as Solana ecosystem goes. But now let's take a further look at the price of Sol, because at this point it seems like Solana does not want to do anything from this price range, because it's pretty much been consolidating at this price range for quite some time. But let's take a closer look on the hourly time frame and see what exactly is happening. So we can continuously see Solana trading sideways pretty much since, you could say, on the 8th, which is last week. We've been retesting the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level literally like 5 different times, and all these 5 times we've seen a rejection. But obviously, Bitcoin price needs to come into consideration as well because of the correlation. The correlation does exist. So if Bitcoin goes down, Solana is going to go down as well. But what you're seeing is the dips are being bought back up very quickly. You can see this for yourself. We did see Sol dropping all the way down to $86.80 just 2 days back. And again, if you had your buy orders placed in around there, you are up right now. Let's put that into perspective. So you're up right now about 12.39%. So beautiful bounce happening. Obviously, the target still remains in the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level for Sol. I want to see the price of Sol breaking out of this resistance, of course, at $108.40. But, I think what we're going to see happening personally is we're going to see Sol making its way back up. You might see a little bit more consolidation below the 61.8 Fib zone, and then actually making its way back above this resistance and heading towards newer all-time highs. I'm very confident that the next move for Solana will lead it towards newer all-time highs. But let me know down below what you guys think, and where do you see the price of Solana trading at the end of quarter 4 of this? So basically at the end of the year, on December 31st, 2024, where will you see Solana trading at? I want you guys to let me know in the comments down below. And of course, thank you so much for all your support, day in, day out. You guys have been absolutely killing it. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.